Welcome back to the channel. I've got some leftover meatloaf, and for years I would take leftover meatloaf and a piece of white bread cold out of the refrigerator, put it on there, fold it over, make a fold over. It was always so good. And somewhere along the way, I decided I would make me a hot meatloaf sandwich and start adding stuff to it. So I thought I would share this with you. I just made a meatloaf the other day. It's on the channel. It's retirement meatloaf, so it was 1 pound of a small meatloaf. It's just two of us, so they made us a couple of meals, and it's going to make us, a fine sandwich and another meal for the wife. So anyway, I'm going to show you how I do this. It's really easy, but it's really over the top good. Let me show you what I've got going. I've got some French bread. I'm going to make a slider. Well, in between a slider and a regular sandwich. I'm going to butter my bread. I've had it in the fridge. It's cold. I've got some onions over here and some jalapenos. I put a little char on them. That's going to go on this sandwich. And of course some cheese, please. Let's get this on the griddle. Alright, let's put this bread over here and get it cooking. Like I say, it doesn't take long. Give me a proper slice of meatloaf here. About the width of this blade will be perfect. I just want to warm it up a little bit. Not cold. Just check these, see if they got a little tan on them. They're getting a little bit. Got a piece of meatloaf out of the way here. Scoot these over. She's a thing of beauty. Meatloaf, double cheese, onion straws, Texas bottle caps. That's what they call fried pickled jalapeno slices. It's just going to be so good, and there ain't but one way to find out. If that don't make your mouth water, nothing will. My mouth is watering. I know what this is going to taste like because I've had it lots of times. Everything you need in a meatloaf sandwich and more. All right, that's good. That's not just kind of good. That's like really good. Oh, goodness. Well, I'm going to get to the rest of this before it cools down. If you like meatloaf and you like meatloaf sandwiches, you got to try this hot one. It's like a grilled cheese with meatloaf in the middle. The onion straws, grilled onions, and the Texas bottle caps, fried pickled jalapeno slices. Those are all optional. But get your favorite cheese, especially one that melts good. Put it on there, make you a grilled cheese sandwich. Put your meatloaf, heat it up, and kind of crust it on both sides. You'll say, oh dude, you were right. It's like the best. So I'm out of here. And be sure and catch my video, Retirement Meatloaf for 2. You'll see how I made this wonderful meatloaf. And I appreciate y'all being here on my channel. Couldn't do it without you. I'm just an old country boy that loves to cook. See y'all later.
Shining on so bright. There's evil in the air and there's thunder in the sky and the killers on the bloodshot streets. Way down in the tunnels where the